Hi everybody. I've been having quite a lot of panicked emails and messages about the price of gold and silver and what's happening since the high we had in September. It's really been correcting itself all the way until now, and at 1606 people are saying to me, gosh, what's going to happen? There are a lot of pundits out there, real experts, who I feel really should know better, who are saying that the gold run is possibly over. What a load of nonsense. It's the fundamentals haven't changed. Don't allow your emotions to get the better of you. Governments, the powers that be, are still doing quantitative easing. We're probably going to see QE3 in the US next year. We're going to see more quantitative easing to solve the European crisis. We've got a reluctance of the powers that be to actually reduce their operating deficits. And so as that's still in play, and as central banks are increasing their gold reserves, for example, South Korea, they increased their gold reserves by 39% in November alone. So you have to say to yourself, why would they be net buyers of gold? Of course, gold is your ultimate protection. Don't give up your protection. In the great bull market of the 1970s, when gold went from $35 to $850, there were very often corrections of 50% in the price of gold on the way. So please don't let you frighten you. But what I have said all along is that do not borrow money in order to buy the precious metals, because this is what can happen. There can be a huge correction and then you're going to be in real trouble. So unless you're paying cash for your precious metals, don't do it. Just don't do it. When you can pay cash, even if it's a small amount of silver or a small amount of gold, then go out and buy it. But the way I'm looking at this, folks, is that these are wonderful buying opportunities. The fundamentals haven't changed. At 1606 for gold, at 29 and something for silver, they're bargains. And I think my prediction is that for the new year, for this year coming, that gold is going to go to at least 2,500. Silver is going to approach 50, if not break the 50 mark again. And there's so much upside. We are certainly nowhere near the end of this bull market. Don't panic. For those of you that have your gold and silver, hang on to it. Don't sell it. For those of you who haven't bought yet, I would say really consider buying some now. Wonderful time to do so. I wish you all the very best for a happy, successful, prosperous new year. Hang on to your money however you can. And thanks very much for listening to my videos. Bye for now.